Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my class. I am Taruna Chaube. Today I am going to teach you from Moral Science, page number 23, chapter 6, Obedience to Elders. Obedience to elders means हमें अपने बड़ों की बात माननी चाहिए. Once upon a time, there lived a family of sheep. On the mountainside, there was a little lamb among them. He was naughty and disobedient. One day, the little lamb went too far and could not find his way back. As it grew dark, he became frightened. It started to bleat. The darker it became, the louder the lamb cried. A wolf was prowling near the mountain. He heard the bleats of the little lamb. The wolf saw him and was very happy. He said to himself, "How nice! My dinner is ready in front of me." The little lamb did not get a chance to correct his mistake. Some children do not obey their parents. Sometimes the results of disobedience of children are as serious as that of the little lamb. One day, a boy named Simon was playing with a knife. It was sharp and pointed. His mother saw the boy cutting a stick just for fun. She told the boy that it was dangerous to play with a knife. The boy said, "Oh, Mom, you worry too much. I know how to handle a knife without hurting myself." He continued to cut the stick. As he chopped, the stick clipped from his hands. The knife struck the boy's index finger. The boy was taken to hospital. Do you know the serious of the event? The doctor had to remove the index finger, which was cut into half. Some children disobey their parents and teachers. Some children obey them simply because they are afraid of punishment. But good children obey their parents and teachers because they have cultivated good manners. They are also aware of the result of disobedience. Obedience makes you a disciplined person. It not only makes you happy but also your parents and teachers. So, obey your parents when they tell you to learn your lesson, do your homework, dress neatly, take bath and comb your hair, not to watch television for long time. There is another reason why you should obey. When you grow up, you will be giving guidelines and instruction to your younger ones. You will expect them to obey you. If you obey your elders, you can also make others obey you. Richard, the lion-hearted King of England, was on the battlefield. The King of France was the commander-in-chief of the combined army of Europe. Richard was given the rear guard duty. He was supposed to stay at the back. There was not enough action at the back, and King Richard grew restless. He came in front and asked the commander how the war was progressing. He did not answer but let Abbot Dominicus speak. The abbot said, "We will not win the war because there is widespread disobedience among the soldiers. Richard said, "Every disobedient soldier shall be severely punished." Then the commander said, "Your Majesty, then you shall be punished first, because you have disobeyed my orders and left your rear guard duty." Richard begged the commander's pardon and returned to his post. The king could command obedience because he obeyed.